guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? I'm here with Shami. So today we're here to give you a story time. I've never done a story time ever on my channel, none of my channels as a matter of fact, but it's gonna be a mixture of a mukbang because we having some KFC right now, some real good Jamaican KFC. I got a corn, I got a corn, I got some spicy chicken and some fries. I got some spicy wings over here. Yeah, she got a whole 8-piece. Show them how the wings them look like. KFC wings them really big and chunky. Yeah, like very nice. But anyways, so as you guys can see from the title, yes, I'm gonna tell you, well, we're gonna tell you about the time my car tire exploded at 2 a.m. in the morning. Downtown Kingston, Jamaica.
Okay. Jamaica.
Nobody know that on the road. Downtown. Like if you don't know what KFC they downtown, like on the main this so like
it was directly in front of
alright, so let's just jump right into this. Alright, so alright, cool. Yeah,
so it all started at this year last year.
It's this year.
Early this year in the carnival season. We took up ourselves, gone to Fete.
Everything went well. It was nice. It was a good vibe.
Fete was it?
So we didn't know. That matters. So we just up in a, I was in a green romper. Shama was in an orange dress. And we were just looking real cute. Just the two away, So the day I drive now, oh my gosh, we were bumping to the music.
We were lit. We just leave the party and we're like, it's done already?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, yes, because were we like considering to go somewhere else? I don't remember, like Taboo or something.
I think. But then after that,
that they just everything.
Well, I know. We come out of the place nice, you know, like me and them depend like we late.
But me, of course, I'm a designated driver, so never to our parents or whatever, drinking or whatever.
Me sit down right, which part I sit down right now. And my eye them said something like, "From wake up this morning, you's a winner, yeah. We's a winner." So then they are drive now, and no, Jamaica road them still right? Full of patrol.
But me not like the piece of road that did smooth. I mean, it look like, me not gonna lie, that you know them definite patrol come like everything smooth and then it just sharp and just sink in a hole.
Yeah.
And one of them and it big. So
I'm not with you, you know. From your wake up this morning, the car got something like boom boom, I hear psh. Oh my god. The car just go boom, I hear psh.
Yeah, grow on can't touch your brake. Shadow your brake and cool on yourself and grow on. Like now, shadow your brake now. Shadow your brake. Hey, tap.
Same time.
Me never experienced that yet.
My eye them go from to this one. The tire bus.
I did the front left tire too, you know. And you know, say it's even more. I mean, it's serious if it's any wheel at all, but the front one, the driver side.
Listen, all I know is me start feel the car. I would try the car to that drift.
That way, yeah.
The car just start that drift.
It start lean. At 2 o'clock in the morning, so you know, say downtown this.
Where folk can't stop and ask for
man,
change that
I saw a man for a bicycle. I saw a man on a bicycle and I kept it moving. So you know, so I start drive at like I was going at like 20.
Like super slow.
So slow. And
me
probably had I think I started even going slower when we reached Crossroad. Guys, guess what me that go? Okay, so if you're from Jamaica, if you don't know Jamaica like that in Kingston. So I'm coming from downtown. And the only tire shop I was aware of at the time that I feel comfortable with going, because I've been there before, And you know, I'm familiar with the faces. Is the one on Mullines Road. The tire shop is always open. So at the tire shop on Mullines, me are going now.
From town.
From downtown, guys. And I drove crossroad way. Me never go Marcus Gavin, me drive crossroad way. Jesus Christ, me tell you, say, me see one man on a bicycle like him.
And the man a signal we and I say, so we know. We know. And at this point, like, Swan must have get upset with me because I'm like, Swan, drive the car now. Because we were legit like.
Listen, in my head, me starting so like that the rims going to start catch fire. The car going to turn over. I'm like, in the whole time, I was just praying hard.
And then reach crossing the road now. I remember saying at 2 o'clock I got 3 o'clock in that morning. I will see this big group of boys.
Like about 10 man.
And everybody just has steering a car.
They were walking from Carib 5 side.
I would just go up on the road. We were like,
no, you know, me tell Shami. Just go down in your car. Just go down in your seat, so. Watch me now. So me set, you know, on the wheel. So me say. Yo, remember, you know, we're well dolled up. Like, well dolled up. Ear, do everything. I'm gonna insert the picture of them so they can see which night we're at. You would never know. Say this go on. Listen. Mr. Shami, don't make them see your face. Just hold on your head. Because I know if them say, oh, slow the car go, but them can't see who in that car. I just need these guys to think that the carrier have some bag of money in there. We pass them place, your cold sweater wash me, no people.
At one point, like, the carrier did nearly stop me. I said, you gotta eat this now. I eat this. We're dead. At this point, I nearly 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
We're dead.
Because we took a very long time. To reach. Oh my god.
We reached the shop, you know. The man said, the wheel damage, you know.
Oh my god. There was no hope left for that. It couldn't be repaired or nothing. I mean, I forgot one little temporary. There's something damaged the wheel. Bad.
At least the rims were down.
Yeah. So, right on the spot, me did have a bad wheel from them. Lord of mercy. Guys, listen, it's like, I just feel like them things that happen. You know, when you drive, you're going to go through a lot, you're going to experience a lot. It's kind of inevitable.
But that is kind of scary because...
It is scary because it happened 2 o'clock in the morning, G.
And then 2 are we alone.
Females, 2 young females, dress up. And then my grandpa with me about shot, you know. Remember? When I was talking to the man at the tire shop, I was behind the car door like, yeah, man, alright, you sure? Alright, cool.
At first you never want to come up, but then the man said, the wheel damage, you know, come look funny. She was like,
oh! But that's basically what happened with that. That was...
God carried us through.
God. And listen, nobody be in the comments like, and so people staying at them all, they know God when them in that trouble. Listen, everything that happen in a life, I talk to God. Like me personally, I speak to God like is a person when they're right beside me. You know? Like I have conversations, legit conversations with God. Like when anything I go good. No, I'm not crazy. If anything going good, if anything going bad, if anything going in between, I speak to God all the time. Always have to give thanks. But that's the time. That's what happened the time when my car tire exploded. God care with you. Nobody can tell me nothing. I have this corn here. Long time I don't eat one KFC corn, you know. I don't eat corn a lot because it's not digest well. You know, like beef and them things. Them things there. Yeah. Might be a short mukbang, I don't know. But I just thought about.
I don't really want mukbang.
Yeah, no, it's more of a story. It still is a mukbang because we're eating while telling the story.
I just go to school and hungry and I say, I want KFC. Let's just do the story time mukbang.
As usual, I should ever want KFC. I know some of you guys might be like, Why you never call for roadside assistance, Sue? Honestly, I was so shocked and just like I was shook, completely shook.
Roadside assistance.
Roadside assistance come like joke. Honestly, legit, I know. Roadside assistance them take like an hour. Them said them take like 20 to 30 minutes. You be there sitting on, and as I told you, that's downtown Jamaica. You don't want for this, so I tarry too long. So I had to do what I had to do. So roadside assistance for me was a no-no. Once you have comprehensive insurance, like yeah, you're entitled to it, but it really to me them need to improve them things. I have experience with more than one insurance company. Like, listen, a lot of them are just like the same. I'm just grateful it wasn't worse, and I'm happy I handled it the way I handled it. I don't think there would have been a better way, because even if I had called upon somebody to come, it would have still take too much time for them to reach me at where we were, and I wouldn't want to be there that long sitting down waiting. So yeah, I hope I didn't bore you. I hope we didn't bore you with this story time. It's our first one. Yo, we'll have our next story time. I'm kind of scared to tell that story time because I know you guys probably be like, what? Right?
So I am appalled at you, Miss Petite.
Shout out to Fashion Nova for my fit. Yes, complete fit from Fashion Nova today. Yeah, but that's it for now, guys. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Leave your thoughts down below, and don't forget to continue dropping your video suggestions, stuff like that. We really appreciate it. Yeah, and thanks again. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram pages at
806 Dimples with a Z
and Petite Essence. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss it for Carnival 2020. It's about to be lit. It's about to be lit. So that's that for now. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.